What is up, everyone? Seal Gum Prepper. I completely missed the trip coming in because I was tired. But anyways, I'm actually in the middle of my Hida scan. Look at this big old machine. My radiology tech is pretty cool, so she's letting me shoot a video in here. Where we're jamming out to all kinds of cool music. But anyways, so what they did is they injected me in my arm right here with some radioactive material, and it is tagged to concentrate into my gallbladder, and I can actually see my gallbladder on the scan right now. It's pretty cool. I'll try to get a picture of that for you guys so y'all can see. And but yeah, it's pretty interesting. So I got here at like, I don't know, my appointment was scheduled for 8 or like 9:30, I think. But anyway, I got here at like 8:40, and she was like, "Let's go." I was like, "Okay." So it's gonna get done early, but then I still have another appointment here at another doctor's office across town here at 3. So either way, my day is pretty much wrapped up here. So, but anyways, that's going to do it for this part of the video. I'm going to take a couple of pictures and show you guys, and check this out. Alright, so you can see right there the radioactive material is concentrated into my gallbladder, and here in a few minutes I'm going to get out and take some M&Ms. We're going to do another picture and see what it's doing. Alright guys, so I just finished my Hida scan. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm at the mall, going to eat some dinner and then go to my next appointment. But yeah, I finished my Hida scan, and it was very interesting for the most part. They're going to send the results off to the other hospital, and we're going to go from there. I've got a follow-up appointment for my regular primary care physician here in a couple hours at 3:30, and then we'll just, I guess that's going to be it for the day. But yeah, not really too interesting, not too much to talk about. It's a lot less eventful than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, alright, that's going to do it for now. I'll talk to you guys here in just a minute. Alright guys, so my Hida scan has been completed. It's been a few days. I'm on my way to an MRI right now. It's been about a week. But so the MRI or the Hida scan results have been sent over to my surgeon. She is saying that everything looks normal. So they're going to send me back over to my primary care physician to see if they can figure out what the right upper quadrant abdominal pain is. So now I've got to go through no telling what else. But I will keep you guys updated on that. But as of right now, I'm on my way back to my doctor to get an MRI of my back, because the first 3 MRIs are apparently useless, and they just need to fill somebody's pockets with some money. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep prepping.